Hey, today in the Lowe's back aisle, I found a 1-inch water pressure reducing valve, $25.92 down from $111.99. And they also have a 36-inch rectangular mirror. That's $19.97 down from $39.98. Nice little markdown. And they have this Kohler sink, which is $76.07 down from $169. Another good deal. Here's some more nice markdowns. Definitely a niche thing, but half-inch cushion clamp, $1.52 down from $5.98. 3/4, $1.72 down from $6.98. There's a half-inch, 72 cents down from $2.78. And then the last one, a half-inch cone nut 5-pack, $1.52 down from $6.28. And they got some under-evenments, 92 cents down from $4.98.